Okay, so good morning class. So I am Sir Chulay and today we are going to discuss the first lesson in mathematics. So sa buhay natin, so meron tayong mga minsan is ginugrupo-grupo natin, di ba? Sa laruan natin, sa mobile games natin, alam natin kung ano yung mga set ng ating mobile games na kailangan. Set ng mga application na kailangan natin sa pag-aaral. And kung ano yung maggrupo ng ating mga kaibigan. Ito yung mga kaibigan ko, ito yung grupo ng mga kaibigan kong mababait. Ito yung mga grupo ng mga kaibigan kong asar, something like that. So in mathematics, meron din tayong groupings ng ganyan. And that is what we call now set. Set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. So in mathematics, these are the collection of objects. And those objects is what we call now elements. Okay, so first let us break down the definition itself. So when we say well-defined group or collection of objects, ito yung mga dapat collection of objects na alam natin. So let us go back dito, go down dito sa ating example sa not well-defined set para mas maintindihan natin ng kaunti. Okay, so dito meron tayong example number 1 is the set of famous dancers. Okay, so kapag sinabi natin na set of famous dancers, this is not well defined kasi hindi natin alam kung sino-sino yung mga tinutukoy na dancers. I mean to say, kahit alam natin, hindi natin pwede mapangalanan lahat kasi sa dami ng famous dancers dito sa mundo, baka meron tayong malaktawan. So that is what I meant by not well defined. Same way true with the second one, the set of punctual students in your class. So saang klase ito? Grade 7 ba to? Grade 8 ba to? Grade 9 ba to? Grade 10 ba to? O estudyante ko ba ngayon ito? Last year? Or noong nasa ibang school pa ako? So that is not well defined kasi hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga tinutukoy dito na students. Pero kapag kasi gagawin natin yung well defined, pwede nating sabihin the set of punctual students in grade 7 school year 2021-2022 under the advisor Sir July. Ayan, pwede nating gawing well-defined. Meaning to say, dapat specific or alam natin yung tinutukoy para masabi natin siyang well-defined. Number 3, the set of honest people. Kahit kabilang ako dyan, syempre, hindi naman natin alam. Joke ba yun, sir? So, hindi naman natin alam kung sino-sino lahat ng mga honest people. That's why it is not well defined. Okay. So, in naming a set in mathematics, we use capital letters just like letter A, letter B, set C, set D, and set Z. And we use braces, closed and open braces, para mag-groups natin yung mga yan. Ang tawag natin sa mga objects or laman ng ating set is what we call now elements. Okay, so let us take a look at number 1, the set of primary colors. So paano natin isusulat yan? There are many ways on how to write a set. So this one is an example of listing method. Okay, na tinatawag nating listing method. Okay, set M contains the elements of red, yellow, and blue. Papansin natin, it is big letter and merong equal sign and meron siyang closed, open and closed braces, and each element is separated by comma. Okay. So ilang elements meron itong set M natin. So let us count 1, 2, and 3. So, meron tayong 3 elements. And that is what we call now cardinality of the elements. So, nabibilang natin 1, 2, and 3. While in the second example, the set of all even numbers. So, set E contains the elements of 2, 4, 6, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, the difference between the example of number 1 and number 2. Number 1, yung number of elements niya ay nabibilang. The second one is hindi natin alam kung hanggang saan magtatapos. And that is what you call now infinite versus finite set. Okay? So finite set meaning to say pwede nating bilangin or merong hangganan yung kanyang elements while infinite set ay wala. And that infinite set is represented by 3 dots. Ayan. And that 3 dots is what we call now ellipsis. Okay? So kaya nga kapag nagsusulat tayo ng I love you, dapat merong 3 dots doon sa dulo, 'di ba? Para magets niya, ay nag-aral to sa math. Continuous ang ibig sabihin ng ellipsis. Kaya continuous na minamahal kita. I love you. ... No, continuous. Trivia ni Sir July. Okay, anyways. Let us now move on to number 3. So y, the set of all multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on and so forth. So y, set y contains the element of 5, 10, 15, and so on and so forth. So kung tatanungin tayo, how many elements are there in set y? So hindi natin alam because the set y is infinite. Next, number 4, the set of letter in the word arranged. Okay, set O contains letter A, contains the elements of A, R, N, G, and E. Okay, so bakit yan lang sir ang nakalagay? So in writing a set kasi, isang beses lang natin dapat isulat yung elements na contain. Dito sa word na arrange, dalawa ang A, dalawa ang R, pero bakit isa lang yung naisulat? Kasi nga, distinct object. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na, pag nailagay na ang A, hindi na pwedeng bilangin pa ulit or isulat pa ulit na A. Okay? Kasi nga, nagamit na or naisulat na yung A. And by the way, paalala lang, kahit magkabali-baliktad ito, halimbawa, mauna yung E na maisulat, comma, and then G, comma, and then A, comma, and then R, parehas pa rin na yun yung tinutukoy doon sa set na binigay. Okay? So it doesn't matter kahit nasa huli yung letter A, nasa una yung letter A. As long na hindi siya mauulit. So that is on how we write the a set. Okay? So that is the basic about the set. So let us now move on to the second one. So let us now try to identify tawag dito, well-defined or not. Okay, so markahan natin. Kapag ka well-defined, lalagyan ko ng check. And kapag ka not well-defined, lalagyan ko ng X. Number 1, so the set of young politicians. Is that well-defined or not well-defined? Yes, that is not well-defined. Kasi nga, ang daming young politician, hindi natin alam yung mga kung sino-sino yung mga politicians na yon. Okay? So next is the set of types of matter. Is it well-defined or not well-defined? Of course, that is well-defined. Kasi alam naman natin na yung set na yon, halimbawa, set M contains the elements of solid, liquid, bahala na ako mag-intindi dyan sa sulat ko, and gas. Okay, so yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang number 2 is an example of well-defined. Next, number 3, the set of versatile actress. Okay, so hindi natin alam. So, ibig sabihin, or that is not well-defined kasi ang daming versatile actress. Pwedeng si Ann Curtis, si Madonna, and so on and so forth. Okay, so next, number 4. So, the set of all oceans on the earth. Of course, alam natin yan. So, that is now a set of all oceans on the earth and that is well-defined. Kasi ilan lang naman yung ating oceans na sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and so on. Okay. So, next, number 5, the set of months containing 31 days. Yan, of course, that is well-defined kasi alam naman natin yung mga 31, yung mga may months na 31 days. Nung hindi pa uso sa amin actually ang smartphone, ganito ang pagbilang or pagtitingin namin sa merong 31 tsaka hindi 31. Okay, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ganito yan. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so napapansin nyo, may bukol, January, mayroong 31. February, wala. March, meron. April, wala. May, meron. June, wala. July, meron. August, meron. And so on and so forth. So, ganun po. So, yun. Hindi nyo alam yun nyo. Kasi Nauso na kasi ang ML ngayon, Mobile Legends. Tingnan mo na lang sa cellphone mo, nandyan na. Okay, so that's it. Bahala na kayo sa number 6 to 10. And number, what I have learned. Try natin sagutan nito. So let us try to answer this one. So the objects contained in a set. Ang tawag natin doon, of course, that is elements. Okay, so next. Well-defined groups or collection of objects that share a common characteristics. Anong tawag natin dyan? Okay, of course, that is a set. Next, number 3. It is represented by 3 dots. Anong tawag natin sa 3 dots na yan? Oh, that is what we call now ellipsis. A symbol used to group elements. Of course, that is, okay, letter D, which is open and close braces. A symbol used to represent a set. Siyempre, wala nang natira. Yun na lang natira, which is capital letters. So, as ganyan lang kasimple ang mathematics. And let us now go to the other activity. Sagutan ko lang yung 1 and 2. Okay? So, number 1. Which of the following is the set of animals living in water? Ano kayo magiging sagot niyo dyan? Living in water. Of course. Set A contains the elements of dolphin, whale, milk, fish. Ayan. So baka sabihin niyo sa akin, Sir, paano kapag yung kulungan ng mga pato, ng mga manok, tsaka ng mga turkey ay nasa ibabaw ng fish pond? Oh, wow. That is a very nice question. Siyempre, sagot natin, ay mali pa rin yan. Hindi pa rin pwede yan. Kasi generally, nakatira yung mga duck, chicken, and turkey sa pangalan nito sa land. It is not in the water. Kahit nandun sila sa ibabaw ng fish pond. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple ang math. So, number 2. Given A is equal to, contains the elements of that, which of the following is incorrect? Okay, ang incorrection, let us take a look at number 1. It uses capital letters to name a set. Oh, okay naman to. Tama naman. Capital letters. It does not list the object once. Meron bang naulit dyan? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, yung letter B ang sagot natin. Not correct or incorrect. So, kayo nang bahala dyan sa mga susunod, mga anak. And I hope meron kayong natutunan ngayong araw nito kahit konti lang. So, please do watch sa ating mga susunod na mga videos and I hope meron kayong natutunan. Yung mga may tanong ay feel free to contact me on the following numbers na naka-flash sa inyong mga screen. Thank you, and again, I am Sir July, and mag-aral lang mabuti upang pumogi. Bye-bye!